how to log out someone out of your Instagram account. So all you have to do is to go to your Instagram application directly. So it will lead you here to your homepage, right? Now the next thing that you want to do is on the bottom part, you'll see your profile icon there, right? Tap on that. Now after tapping on that, on the upper right, you'll see three dash lines there, the menu. Tap on it, the three dash lines there, and tap on settings. Here under settings, there are a lot of options there, right? You will see follow and invite friends, notifications, privacy, supervision, so on and so forth. So tap on security there. Now under security, you will see these options. There's a lot of options again. The next thing that I want you to do is to go here to login activity, and here you will see all the places or the locations that you have opened your account or the account was opened. Let's say someone has opened the account here on this place or in this location. Just tap on the three dots there and tap on log out, and basically that person will be automatically be logged out to your account. Now the next or the other way is you can tap on the three dots there, tap on log out again. Now here, tap on change password so that that person could not access your account again for a possibility that they have actually hacked and known your password. And basically that is how you log out someone out of your Instagram account. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.